Assalamu alaikum everyone.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hello everyone.
Hello everyone. Today, what are you going to learn today?
Addition and subtraction.
First, we'll start with the addition. Okay. Let's say you have 6 plus 8. What does 6 plus 8 equals to?
1,
1,
2, 3, 4,
5.
6.
So for every tally, the fifth one will be
Yes.
crossed out, and then you start from 6,
Yes.
right? So that's what you have done. So here you have done 6. Now you do 8 here.
1, 2,
2,
3, 4,
4, 5.
6, 7, 8.
So now this is 6, then
8.
8. So 6 plus 8 is how much? How many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You already know this is 6.
6,
So you don't have to, you can start from 7.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
No, you count it again.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
14. So 6 plus 8 is equal?
14.
So write 14. 4. What if this is a big number? For example, we are just doing this 12 plus 6 equal how much? How many? So 12. So you do the tally for 12.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5,
6, 7,
8, 9.
9, 10,
No. That's why I'm saying. Since this is 12, so let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Then you see 6, 7, 8, 9. Then the 10 will be?
No, it's not.
Yes, for every 5. So you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
No, that's not what teacher does.
Okay, maybe your teacher hasn't crossed 10 yet. So that's why. If we are working with a small number, then for 5 you do the first cross, the first tally. So for every 5 you do a tally. So
10.
this is 12. So 10 is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you do the 12 again, okay? Do the 12 tally again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
5,
6, 7,
8, 9,
10,
10. Good job.
11, 12.
12. Now do 6 here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6. So now here, how many are there? 12. So after 12, what is the number?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13.
13. So after 12 is 13. You should say it and go. Okay. So you start, you already have 12 here. So you start from 13.
13.
So count 13 here.
13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
18. Good job. So 12 plus 6 is
18.
1, 8. So 12 plus 6 is?
18.
Let's now do it with a sentence. I tell you the question, you will do it. Let's say you have 7 candies.
How about candy cane?
Candy cane?
Or lollipop?
Lollipop, okay. So you have 7 lollipops, and Manhamuni has.
Mine is not here.
Yeah, it's fine. Probably she has 5 lollipops.
Okay.
So how many lollipops do you have together? You start with 7. You have how many lollipops?
7.
7. So you write 7. 7. Then plus. And so Meghujan has how many lollipops? 5. Good job. So you have 7 and Manamuni has 5. So together, how many do you have? So addition is you are gathering it together. Let's say I have these 2 chalks and you have those 2 chalks.
Same one.
Okay. So how many chalks here altogether? How many pieces of chalks here altogether?
4.
4. How? Because I have 2, you have 2. So that means we are gathering it together. So gathering it together is called addition. Okay, so you have 7 lollipops. Mekujan has.
to draw some lollipops.
Okay, draw 7 lollipops. Cherry lollipop. Okay, 3. Kiwi lollipop. Okay, 3.
1, 2, 3. I think I do this like.
Yeah, this last lollipop will be like this. Okay, the 5th lollipop. Yes, yes, like this. 7 lollipops here, right? And do the 5 lollipops for Mekujan here.
2,
Mhm.
3, like.
It's fine, it's 5 here, right? So you are doing, actually you have to do it. You have to do it here. Now count how many.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
And
12.
12. 12. So how many lollipops are there altogether?
12.
12. We'll end this addition session with, I will tell you how many you can count on your fingers. You start from this side. You start from this finger. What does this finger called?
Pinky.
Pinky finger. Go give your hand to me. You can count 20 in your
Can
fingers.
you do it right here?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So if you have 20 in your hand, yeah, 20 here as well.
20, 21,
21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28,
29,
30,
30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40.
40. So we have 40 marks in our fingers. There are 40 marks here, right? So do you wanna stop here? We can stop here for today.
No.
Then what do you wanna do?
I wanna do more subtraction.
You wanna do some subtraction? Okay.